How you doing? This is David from DCR Auto Repair. I have a Pullman chainsaw here, Pro 42cc. Will not start. First thing you want to do is probably check spark. You just take this cover off. Take the spark plug wire off. Take the plug out. Just take this out here, just to make sure we have spark first. Alright, just find the ground here. See if you can see this or not. I don't know if you can or not. Hopefully you can. We do have spark. So you have spark. Sounds like it has compression. There's a common thing on these chainsaws with these two-stroke oil and gas mixture. What happens is the fuel line, the fuel actually eats away on the fuel line inside the gas tank here. I'll show you what to check for. Pull your gas cover off here. Watch what comes out. This is your fuel filter. There's supposed to be a fuel hose attached to this so it can't suck up the fuel into the carburetor. And that's why it's not running. So you can go to a hardware store or go to your lawnmower store. This manufacturer's Arnold. It's fuel lines variety pack. It comes in two different size diameter of fuel line, depending on what you need for fuel line. You'll have to take this cover off, and you'll have to feed the new fuel line into the fuel tank, and then attach it to the filter. Put the filter back in there, fill it up with gas, and then you'll be able to use the primer. The primer will let fuel go into the carburetor, and it should run. Just to let you know, that's a common thing. Just to let you know. So I would check for that. If you have an issue with a chainsaw, a weed whacker, two-stroke, anything like that, because the same thing happens to those two, is the fuel lines deteriorate from the fuel itself. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.